Let's get to the real thing.
I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love.
DJ Rice.